Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of Crochetia's fingerless gloves, perfect for staying warm while keeping your fingers free. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, we got some etching designing ideas to inspire your next project. First up, let's talk about texture. Try incorporating different stitch patterns like ribboning, bubbles, or shell to add visual interest and make your gloves truly unique. For a chic and classic look, consider a simple cable pattern or a delicate lace designing. If you're looking to add some personality, explore color work technique. You can create vibrant strip, trendy ombre effect, or even playful pattern like chervon or heart. Don't forget about using textured yarn, chunky yarn, or variegated colors can make your gloves and stand out. For a touch of elegance, think about adding embellishments like buttons, beads, or small appliques. These small details can make a big difference in elevating your designing. Next, consider adding some texture to your gloves. Technique like the popcorn stitch or the shell stitch can create eye-catching pattern for a more subtle texture. Try using a herringbone stitch or a simple twist cable. This texture not only look great but also add extra warmth. Color is another fantastic way to personalize your gloves. You might choose a solid color for a silk, modern look or go for a gradient or ombre effect for something more dynamic. Playing with color blocking can create a striking visual effect while using self-stripping yarn can end a fun twist without any effort. Don't forget about embellishment, adding a small flower motif, a delicate lace trim, or even a few decorative buttons can elevate your gloves to a new level. This small detail can really make your gloves stand out and add a touch of charm. For those who love extra warmth, try using chunky yarn to create thick, cozy gloves. A combination of half double crochets and post stitching can give a beautiful texture and extra insulation. Pair these with a fuchs fjord trim for a touch of luxury and warmth. Let's get creative with pattern. Strip, zigzags, or polka dot can add a fun and whimsical touch to your gloves. Use contrasting of complementary color to make the pattern pop. Pair easily and Intricacia technique can also be used for intricate and eye-catching designing. If you're looking for something more delicate, try incorporating lace pattern. Open work designing, use chain and double crochets can give your gloves a light airy feel, perfect for layering over long sleeves. These gloves add a touch of elegance to any outfit. Experiment with various stitch patterns to create unique texture. Consider using the popcorn stitch, bubble, or a shell stitch to add depth and dimension. Combining different stitches in one pair can create a visually interesting and textile piece. Think about personality in your designing. Adding a thumb hole or a small pocket can enhance the usability of your gloves. You could also add rawestring or adjustable colors to ensure a snug fit. This feature not only make your gloves more practical but also give them a custom touch. Celebrate the season with themed designing for autumn. Consider earthy tone and leaf pattern. For winter, go for snowflakes motif or icy blues. In spring, bright color and flower pattern can bring a touch of cheer. Combining different crochet technique for a one-of-a-kind designing. You could mix Gannery secure with simple stitch on crochet parts of your gloves in different color and texture. This approach allows you to be highly creative and create a truly unique pair. For an eco-friendly project, consider using upcycled yarn or scrap from previous projects. Combine different yarn and color to create a patchwork effect or a completely unique color scheme. Finally, add a personal touch with small embellishment. Sew on cute buttons, add a small tassel, or even incorporate some beads or sequins for a bite of sparkle. Personalizing your gloves makes them special and uniquely yours. Remember, crochet is all about creativity and having fun with your project. Each pair of fingerless gloves is a chance to experiment with different ideas and techniques. If you enjoy these designing ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your own fingerless gloves creation with use in the comments. We have loved to see what you come up with. Happy crocheting and we'll see you in the next videos.